Today, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld a federal firearms ban for people subject to domestic violence restraining orders. State Attorney General Phil Weiser saying he is relieved by the decision as Colorado works to reduce the number of deadly domestic violence related shootings.
But as Denver 7 reporter and attorney Jessica Crawford tells us, more decisions about guns and who gets to use them may be coming from the high court soon.
Today, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld a law that prevents domestic abusers with restraining orders against them from possessing firearms. This comes after gun rights advocates argued that the law was unconstitutional and unfair to gun owners. In 2022, domestic violence claimed more than 90 lives in Colorado. 86% of the deaths were the result of firearm injuries.
Today, the Supreme Court upheld an important federal law, and there's a Colorado counterpart that says if you're a domestic violence abuser, you don't have a right to bear arms.
Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser says Colorado was one of several states that filed a brief in support of laws protecting domestic violence victims from gun violence.
An abuser is 5 times more likely to murder an intimate partner when they have a firearm. This law that we have at the federal level in Colorado, it saves lives. And it's constitutional.
When a criminal case involves domestic violence, family law and criminal defense attorney Morgan Menser says a suspect has to relinquish their firearm within 72 hours of bonding out of custody.
That will hopefully ensure that they're no longer, or at least less of a threat to the community as a whole.
There are times when the person may not comply. In that case, Menser says survivors need to keep in contact with their victims' rights advocate and reach out to authorities for help.
The survivor needs to contact law enforcement in their area immediately and let them know of their suspicions.
The Supreme Court vastly expanded gun rights back in 2022, so there is still a slew of other cases pending at the Supreme Court to decide who can have access to firearms. In the studio, I'm Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.